The end of week 1, where I was challenging myself to better myself, has ended. How did it go? I tracked everything, I got my numbers, and let me break them down for you. So the goal was 2,500, and I ended up being only at a deficit of 1,087. Not great. But hey, at least I was still in a deficit, right? Now, my water intake, this has been something that has just been, I mean, let me tell you, it's been bad. Okay? Like, really bad. So, my goal was to be drinking 480 ounces over these 6 days. And sadly, I only drank 241. Now, I actually drank significantly more than I have been. I know that sounds so horrible. And anyway, yes, I did better than I've been doing. All right, so my workout goal was to work out 5 out of the 6 days. I actually worked out 4 out of the 6 days. I got in a total body 30-minute hit. I got in a lower body 30-minute hit. I got in a 30-minute elliptical, and then as well a 1-hour upper body weightlifting workout, as well as about 30 minutes of some pretty strenuous yard work. So I don't know. I still wouldn't count that as 5 workouts, though. Personally, for me, that was not my goal. Now, my protein intake. My goal was to eat 738 grams of protein, and I actually got in 780 grams of protein. So I actually did good on my protein. So very happy about that. But overall, I know that I did a lot better than I've been doing. So this was a positive week, but it was not me hitting all of my goals. So where I'm going to do significantly better next week, my goal is to definitely drink significantly more water for sure. Get in some more workouts, but also really, truly, I think the biggest area where I fell short this week was eating out.